Good morning everyone, we're down at the spit here. We're going to see if we can get a nice sunrise out through these clouds. A little bit cloudy, but we'll see how we go. And we'll see what else is around. We'll go for a bit of a drive. Okay, over here is the pump jetty. They pump sand out the end here from the Broadwater. I haven't seen them pumping it for quite some time because there's an island growing in the middle of the Broadwater and it's got trees in it, so they charge you to fish off this and even charge you to come to have a look and take photos from it. So this is the pump and jetty at Southport. There's a couple of blokes down there fishing, and there's a couple of people just here with their cameras. Here comes the old pelican. Nice little bird and everything here. It's a bit cool this morning and windy. But yeah, it's the old pelican, eh? The ocean's a bit rough today as well. As you can see, that's Surfers Paradise down the back there, all those buildings. All the way back there. Yeah, so it's the pump and jetty right down further to the right of those trees, but we've got a gate back there on that way there, so where they charge you. It's not that deep out there anyway, it's pretty hard to catch some fish. There's not many fish there. You have to go out a little bit further where the bigger fish are. Here's the moon here. When I first got here, because I didn't get this set up with my camera, it was actually a full moon, but now the sun's coming up a little bit. You can see it's shining on part of the right side and no shine on the left, so it's cut out the whole full moon. You'll now and then see the dark flashes of light and dark sky. There's no filters or anything, it's just the way I press my button slowly, it actually goes dark a little bit, which I don't mind because I get some good photos out of it without putting filter on it. I'm waiting for the sun to come up, but I'm going to have a few clouds, so it's going to be a little while for it to come up, so there'll be a bit of cutting, a bit of editing. It's around about 6 o'clock now, and yeah, the sun's been up for probably about a 3/4 an hour. As you can see, some nice shots of the sky in the air. Looks like a set of ribs of the spine. It's a little bit windy up top, up there. And these black clouds. I'm not sure if it's going to rain or not. It may do. But yeah, as you can see, the sun's trying to get around it back there. Low clouds here and high clouds up further. Looks like a fire. Plenty of people on the beach. This is the dog beach, we call it dog beach anyway. We'll have a look at them, maybe a few more coming down soon. So we'll have a look at them and what sort of dogs they got. But yeah, as you can see, the sun is still trying to get up there. It won't be long, and yeah, we'll have it about. As you can see, it's starting to pop up now. Okay, the sun's coming out, it's getting there. I've had to cut a fair bit out, so about an hour I'd say I'll be taking video, and I'll have to cut a fair bit, so let's hope it works out alright. But yeah, I hope it doesn't rain on me, so I'll be watching those clouds, making sure there's no rain in them. But as you can see, there's no rain, so I'm lucky at the moment. Yes, and if anyone wants to use any of these photos or videos on any kind, you're more than welcome. Yeah. Someone might use it for something. Okay, the sun's finally out. And as you can see, beautiful. Been here for a little while waiting for it. The clouds have been coming closer to me, so it's been taking a while for the sun to rise. So it's about 7:30 now, 7 o'clock, I think, 7:15. As you can see, the ocean's pretty rough. The sun rays coming through. We'll get a move on soon. Taking videos of some other stuff besides the sun now that it's gone. Well, not gone, come through the clouds at last. Nice little black cloud sitting there on its own. I did do a bit of hyperlapse there for a little while. I'm going to chuck that in between the video. Let's put some other stuff on later. There we go. A few people now with their dogs coming out and about. It's a nice, beautiful beach there, so it's a long way from the water. You actually, this part here, all those hummocks there, they all get taken away when we get big waves come through here. We've had a few of them. As you can see, the sun is shining through. It's beautiful. Nice and choppy though. Probably get a few fish out in daylight day, but I haven't seen any boats go out. Nice and bright, the old sun. Yeah, I haven't seen any trawlers or anything there. Okay, this dog here actually it jumped over my phone while I was hyperlapsing. So I caught it and took the photo of it so I can see what sort of dog it was for you, because it's hyperlapse now. Yes, it's they do come up to you, the dogs, want to know what's going on, and he jumps right over my phone, that one. And here we go, we've got one boat going out, a little bit choppy as you can see. It's a charter, not too many in there. A few waves going over the bow and everything. Ooh, you got a little bit wet out of that. No thanks, not today. But I've been out and choppier than that. Scary bits. I wonder where they're going. Not too far, I'd say. I'm not going too fast anyway. Here we go. What have we got there? We got Kelpie cross. Lots of things. Oh, it's a full-bred Kelpie. One of our Aussie dogs. A great dog for rounding up sheep and everything, and cattle. You got speed, a couple of jet skis flying past Hypo. You have the lighthouse. And a few pictures here for you so you can browse through and have a look. Yeah, have a look before we go and have a look to see if there's anything else around. Here we have a swallow. I haven't been able to catch one because they're pretty quick at flying, so yeah. Okay, here we have a crested pigeon. They're only smaller, probably about the size of a pigeon, maybe a little bit smaller than a pigeon. But yeah, nice little shiny type part of the feather there on the end in certain type of sunlight. As you can see, they just forage around the ground. It's a wonder these haven't got any chicks or anything. They might have, but because of spring, they're all babies everywhere at the moment. But yeah, that's the wild crested pigeon. Here we are, just looking over the Broadwater over to Southport, and we're looking down at some other places, Palm Beach. This is the spit area over there. And of course there is a pigeon landed straight down in front of me. A couple of seagulls flying around. These buildings are getting further and further and further up along the line, heading up to Brisbane. Soon we'll be all joined together. You can see some beautiful little yachts and boats, and I think these are all residents. They all stay here. You've got the little boats on the side of the beach here, they paddle over in. Don't know what it's worth to park up and stay. And we have a nice pelican, just landed. And there's a plover over there. We've got a couple of plovers we've got to go and have a look at later with some babies with them, and hopefully they're still there. Okay, we have a mother plover with a few little baby ones. Here they are. I had to zoom it in pretty close. That's as far as I can go to them. So I've come home and edited it so I can show you how close I can get to them. But yeah, they're only little, probably just a bit bigger than chook egg. And these things here have yellow tips on their feathers, like a spike. And they don't like people walking around their young ones, as you can hear it squawking in the back. I'm going to have a look later on. There's a few more down the road, so we'll see if they're about. There's 3 of them just here at the moment. And there's the mother. Don't know where the father is, but they do swoop. Okay, I see one running the grass here. Where are you? Trying to find him. I can hear him. There's a squeak. There he goes. Hello, mate. He'll start squeaking in a minute, and the mother will be not very happy. And you can hear her in the background now. They will swoop, that's for sure. He's hiding away from me. I might move away so he can come out. And here we go. Got the mother and father coming out. Starting to swoop me. We'll see if I can get a shot of them. They're pretty quick. I can try it. We'll see how I go. There's the mother. No, that's the father. He's just come over. That's the mother there. She's coming at me all the time. The father's not. Ooh, jeez. They're about a metre and a half away from me, so it doesn't look like it on the camera, but they are. Got to take my eyes on this bitch here. She doesn't like me.
She's swooping me. You got to be careful with them. They've got yellow things on their head.
Oh, they hit me.
Getting bitten by midges too. Midges. Can you see it? Yeah. Going into the grass.
Okay, there's only a couple of boats this morning, not many going out at all. I suppose it is, what day is it today? I can't remember, it's Tuesday today. So yeah, it's still a weekday, so that's why I think Southport over there, big shopping centre on the left there. Okay, I'm facing my camera west, so we're looking over there, so we're heading north up that way, right up between there. That's looking out at the spit. I've had a few videos done from the entrance, so I'll do something different today. Take the Broadwater. Surfers Paradise right down further. Yes, I wouldn't mind one of these boats, it'd be nice to cruise in. All owners sleep here. That's Southport over there. No, it's not. Surfer, sorry. Surfers Paradise. Have to look at that building then. We have the Pelican, just landed. End up getting something then, I think. Yes. See, the water's nice and calm. It's beautiful here. This is in between Broadwater and the beach, this part just here. Okay, we're going to go and have a walk through here and see what boats are here as well. We've moved up a little bit from the other area, part of the beach. Yeah. There's an orange boat there, just like what I had. Jeez, I tell you what, they're near enough like mine. Same sort. But yeah, here we are. Nice bit of sand. A few little tinnies to go out to the boats. Southport over there, looking south. So this part's in between the Broadwater, which is over those trees there, which is looking west, and the beach is behind me. taking photos of this little area here. Comes up beautiful. I might frame a few, see how they come out. And over the hills there. Looks like it might get a bit of rain over there, but it can change any time over here. But yeah, beautiful part of the Broadwater. Might even actually get the snorkels and do a bit of snorkeling this year. Come just here, just keep an eye out for the bull sharks. So we'll have a stick in hand. No crocodiles, Port Dirt Farmer either, so plenty of other killers though in the water. I've moved up a little bit further, getting closer and closer to home. It might be the last stop here. I'm just not far from SeaWorld, it's to my left hand side. Can't see it because of the trees. So that's Southport over there, big shopping centre. New boats, black skies. Anyway people, might leave it for the day now. Hope you enjoyed, hope it wasn't too boring for you. So until next time, a couple of people fishing. Okay everybody, thanks for sticking it in there, and hope you have a great day and enjoy it, and catch you next time. Thanks everyone, bye for now.